What's up, y'all? I'm just coming to y'all with another update. I finally got a full-time route. My number is L53, and this is a 2022 Bluebird. A 2022. It don't have the new grill or nothing. It just, I think this was before the changes, but it's brand new. I'm just cleaning it up a little bit. You have the black thingies on the warning lights. It's fresh. Got the Smack brand new Coopers. Fresh tread. Carefully worn across, evenly worn across. Diesel. It's a 77, 78 passenger. Got the backup camera. I'm gonna start it up for y'all so y'all can see. Cooper. Bird. Got the tinted windows, the black window border, navy blue seating. It's got the child check. It's got the 4 push-out windows. 4. Let me do a little startup. It's got sort of a different startup sound than the usual. It's got the 3 heater switches, defrost, dome lights. I don't know if the LED, let's see. There you go. Got your headlights. High item. Air brake, of course. Interior, exterior, strobe, fans, 2 driver fans. Oh, to see the backup camera. Got 6,000 miles on it. 6,708.5. Yep. Exit light check. LED stop signs and LED brake turn signals and reverse lights. Now notice that whenever you put on the exit light, the idle goes back to the normal speed. And when you cut it off, it goes off to the regular thing. And no, the lights are not. I think they are LED. No, they're incandescent. Incandescent. But that's the little update. I'll keep y'all posted. Thank y'all for watching. Just continue to subscribe, like, comment, do all that for me. Appreciate y'all. Later.